Students, I'm S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar, Department of History, and today I want to teach you chapter 12 from Geography, and in this subject I want to tell you about the ecosystem. What is the meaning of ecosystem? I mean all plants, trees, animals and human beings all are correlated and interdependent on each other for their existence, and this relationship is called ecosystem. Now, next topic, that is pollution. From the same lesson, what is the meaning of pollution and what are the main kinds of pollution? Pollution means when our environment or its components, listen to me carefully, when our environment or its components are polluted by different activities of the human beings, such act is called pollution. And due to such activities we get pollution, and the main cause of pollution is to use the resources recklessly without utilizing our proper mind and without thinking. There are several causes of pollution and there are several types of pollutions. So firstly I want to tell you about the air pollution. After that I shall tell you water pollution, and after that I shall tell you land pollution, and after that I shall tell you sound pollution. Now explanation one by one of all these pollutions. At first I want to make explanation over air pollution. When air is polluted by different unfair means, it's called air pollution. I mean air becomes impure. After that I want to tell you about water pollution. When water is polluted by adopting different unfair means, it is called water pollution. Under this process water also becomes impure, and that is not fit and proper for our health. That is very harmful when we drink water, when we make utilization of water. You know this fact that water is life, and when water is polluted it means you are destroying our life. And after that I want to make explanation on land pollution. There is also a kind of pollution, that pollution is known as land pollution. When land loses its fertility, its quality, it is called land pollution. And after that at last I want to tell you about the sound pollution. When rude sound is created, heavy sound is created, and high sound is created, then we face sound pollution. And its main reason is explosion of bombs and crackers, and due to this process we get pollution in all these spheres, and we have to face a lot of problems due to pollution. So we must try to check all those activities by which we see the scene of pollution. It will be our moral duty, and we must take an oath not to support pollution in the sphere of air, water, land, as well as sound. And for today, that's all. Wait for the next day. A lot of thanks to all my dear students.